week we were doing multiplication of fraction, and many of you had a difficult time. But after the second class, you seem to do it well. So now this week we are going to start division of fractions. They're a little bit different, but before we do division, we are going to do reciprocal of a given number or fraction. So first we are going to write the reciprocal of the given number. This is a big name, reciprocal. You may not understand, but it's very simple. The top has to be up, the up has to be down. Ulat, pulat. Okay? Up, the top number will have to come down, the bottom number will go up. So it's easy. Have a look. So when I say reciprocal means you have to write the opposite. If denominator is 7, numerator should be 7. If the numerator is 6, denominator has to be 6. Okay, let's have a look now. There's only 3. So whenever you see only a given number, you write 1. Now we have to do ulat pulat. The top one comes bottom, and the bottom one goes on top. So 3 upon 1 equals 1 upon 3. Simple, just like magic. No? So there was no number at the bottom, you draw a line and write 1. So 3 upon 1 equals 1 upon 3. So what is the reciprocal of 3? Reciprocal of 3 is 1 upon 3. Let's have a look. Write the reciprocal of 6 upon 11. So the numerator, the denominator becomes the numerator becomes the denominator. So simple. Write the reciprocal of 6 upon 11. 11 upon 6. Finished. So simple. Okay, next. So write the reciprocal of 13 upon 15. Very good. Now you're getting it. 15 upon 13. So the reciprocal of 13 upon 15 equals 15 upon 13. Write the reciprocal of 1 3 upon 7. For this, we have to convert. Whenever you see a mixed number, we must convert. 7 1 is 7 plus 3, 10 upon 7. And then only we can write the reciprocal of this number. So, now this fraction looks same as the one given on top. So now we can write the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 10 upon 7, 7 upon 10. So simple, no? Okay. What is the first thing you must do? Convert. 9 4 is 36 plus 5, 41 upon 9. So you must write the reciprocal now. Will be 9 upon 41. Wasn't it very simple? Yes. Reciprocal is a vague word which we may not have heard of it before, but it's just a simple way of doing a certain sum. So in divisions, now we need this reciprocal to do divisions. If you do not know that, you may not understand. So in divisions, if we had a number 10 divided by 2, you would write 10 divided by 2, 2 5s are 10. So simple. But just say if we have to divide 2, 3 divided by 4 upon 15. So what are we going to do? Are we going to write like this? 4 upon 15 divided by 2 upon 3. That's going to be very difficult, yes or no? So there is another simple way. We just have to write the reciprocal of one of the fractions. Okay? So before we do division, let's do multiplication. Let's find out the difference between multiplication and division. Both sums are same. 4 upon 5 into 5 upon 7. 4 upon 5 divided by 5 upon 7. Now let's see what the difference is. Here we can reduce or cancel straight away. 4 won't cancel anything. 5, yes, we have 5. 5 ones are, 5 ones are. Now, no other number goes, so 4 ones are 4, 1 sevens are 7. Multiplication is easy. It's easy. But division also will be easy. We just have to do one more step. Are you ready? Okay. We write the same number, 4 upon 5. The question says 4 upon 5 divided by 5 upon 7, which is very difficult. So there is a process. Now, we have to change the sign. What do? We change the sign from division to multiplication. Okay? Whenever there is a division sign, we change that sign into a multiplication sign. And then we have to write the reciprocal of 5 upon 7. So what is the reciprocal of 5 upon 7? 7 upon 5. Now this sum and this sum looks the same. So now we just cancel. 4 will 4 into 5? No. Will 4 into 5? No. So it doesn't go. So we cannot cancel anywhere. We just multiply. 4 sevens are 28. 5 fives are 25. This is an improper fraction. So let's convert. 25 ones are 25. 26, 27, 28 upon 5. Okay? So now you know how to find the reciprocal. Now we have to use that reciprocal in division to make our division simple. So let's have a look at another number. So the first fraction says 2 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 15. Now don't go to your rough column and write like this because you cannot do it. But there is a most simple way of doing it. So 2 upon 3. What do we have to do with the sign? Change it into multiplication sign. And we have to write the reciprocal of 4 upon 15 becomes 15 upon 4. Look, this side remains the same, only on the other side it changes. You can change it only when you have changed the sign. Now let's do the sum. Will 2 go in 4? Yes. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 3 ones are 3 fives. It is similar, it is same as multiplication. So we cannot cancel any other number. 5 ones are 5. 2 ones are 2. The answer can remain like this or you can convert it. 2 goes in 5 2 times, leaving a remainder of 1. So you get the new answer to 1 upon 2. So wasn't that simple? It's just like doing multiplications. But when we do division, we have to change the sign, and after we change the sign, we have to write the reciprocal of the second number and do as we have learned in multiplication. So let's do some more sums. 9 upon 10 divided by 6 upon 25. Let me write some more sums. 6 upon 25 divided by 9 upon 10. 4, 1 upon 6 divided by 1, 1 upon 9. 3, 3 upon 4 divided by 2, 1 upon 2. So, dear children, if you pay attention, it will be very simple. Here, 9 upon 10 divided by 6 upon 25. So, first step is to change the sign. This side remains the same, 9 upon 10. Now, division becomes multiplication. After you have changed the sign, you have to write the reciprocal of 6 upon 25. So, this number becomes 25 upon 6. That's your first step. Now your next step is to cancel or reduce to see which number goes into which number. And reduce till it becomes till you cannot reduce anymore. So 9, will 9 and 10? No. 9 and 6. Which number will go into 9 and 6? Think of a number that will go into 9 and 6. 3. 3 threes are. 3 twos are. Which number will 3 go into 10? No. Will 2 go into 3? No. Will 2 go into 25? No. Will 2 go into 10? It will go. But you cannot reduce the numbers that are side by side. denominator and denominator. It has to be numerator and denominator. Now let's have a look at the other number, 25 and 10. Which number is going 25 and 10? 5. 5 is a 5. 2 is a. Can we cancel? Can we reduce anymore? No. So we multiply. 3 5s are 50. 2 2s are 4. This is an improper fraction. You can read the answer as this, or 4 goes into 15 3 times. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 15. So simple, no? Again, what do? To divide, we have to change the sign. After changing the sign, we write the reciprocal and do the same like multiplication, cancelling numbers. Let's have a look at this. 6 upon 25 divided by 9 upon 10. So 6 upon 25 remains the same. Now we have to change the sign from division to multiplication and write the reciprocal. 10 upon 9. 3 2s are 3 3s are 5 2s are 5 5s are. Can we cancel anymore? No. So what do? We multiply numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. 2 2s are 4. 3 5s are, or 5 3s are 15. So this is your answer. Here you see a mixed number, and whenever you see a mixed number, what should you do? Convert it into an improper fraction. So we have 3 upon 4 divided by 2, 1 upon 2. So the first step, here we did not convert because there was no whole number, just a simple fraction. Here there is a whole number. So when you see a mixed fraction, it has to be converted into an improper fraction. So let's convert. 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 15. This step, we just convert. Everything remains the same. The sign also remains the same. Let's not change the sign now. Divided by 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. What did we do? We just converted these mixed numbers into improper fraction. Now the third step. This remains the same, 15 upon 4. Let's change the sign. Multiply and write the reciprocal. 2 upon 5. Did you understand? This step was only to convert. Everything remains the same. Because you may have a difficult time. Some of you can do it. But let's do one more step to make it clear. Okay? So after you convert it, then we change the sign and write the reciprocal. So now what is the next step? Cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Will 5 go to 15? Yes. 5 1s are 5 3s are. We cannot cancel anymore. So let's 3 1. 3 1s are 3 2 and 1. 2 1s are 2. You can write this answer or you can write a new answer by converting. 2 1s are 2, 1 upon 2. Again, what is the first step? Only to convert. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 upon 6. This sign remains the same. 9 1 9 plus 1, 10 upon 9. Here we are only converting. Now this sum looks like the ones that are on above. Now follow the same steps. We have to change the sign and write the reciprocal. So 25 upon 6 remains the same. Change the sign into multiply 9 upon 10. Now we have written the reciprocal. Now which step remains? Cancelling or reducing. Which number will go to 25 and 6? No numbers. Which number will go to 25 and 10? 5. 5 5s. 5 2s. Which number will go into 2 and 9? No number. Which number will go to 9 and 6? Very good. 3. 3 3s. 3 2s are. Remember, we cannot cancel here, straight by straight. So, we cannot cancel anymore, multiply. 5 3s are 15, 2 2s are 4, and you can leave the answer this way, or you can convert it now. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 15, upon 4. So I hope you have understood. It's very simple, okay? It is similar to multiplication of fractions, but there's one more step added, and that is to write the reciprocal. First, understand how reciprocal is done. I have done it, okay? And then when we divide, because we cannot just write line and divide straight away. So there's another easier way, that is to write the reciprocal. But before we write the reciprocal, we must change the sign. Okay? 9 upon 10 divided by 6 upon 25. So what do? We write this side same. We change the sign and write the reciprocal of 6 upon 25. 25 upon 6. It's very simple. Okay? Look at it carefully. Don't get disturbed when you're looking. Try and understand. The better it is. You can do any amount of sums once you have understood. So children, till the next class, see you and bye.